had a premonition of your death.
She tried to tell me she had a premonition. I didn't listen.
Premonition. A premonition is a strong feeling or sense that something, often unpleasant or significant, is about to happen in the future.
What? Did you ever rebuff him in any way?
Did she confront you? Rebuff you?
Rebuff. Rebuff means to reject or turn down someone or something in a blunt or unfriendly way. For example, if you offer help to someone and they refuse it rudely, that's a rebuff.
I am a voracious reader.
Rosalind was a voracious reader.
Fanny has a voracious mind, Father, as hungry as any man's.
Voracious. Voracious means having a very strong desire or hunger for something, like eating a lot or wanting to learn a lot.
I mean, we all have moments of deja vu, but this was ridiculous.
Just had a bit of a deja vu.
Deja vu. Deja vu is the feeling that you've experienced something before, even though it's happening for the first time. It's like having a strange sense that a moment you're living right now has already happened in the past.
Diligent application of time and attention is key to an education.
You're a smart and diligent man, and I've got no doubt that you could handle it.
Diligent. Diligent means showing persistent and careful effort in doing something, consistently working hard and paying attention to detail.
It's perfectly fine. A little drowsy.
After a few minutes, you'll probably get drowsy and fall asleep.
Drowsy. Drowsy means feeling very sleepy or tired, like you want to close your eyes and rest. It's the kind of feeling you get when you are almost about to fall asleep.
For now, this will suffice. Stand up.
Simple logic will suffice.
Suffice. Suffice means to be enough or adequate for a particular purpose. For example, if you say, "This amount of food will suffice," it means there is enough food to meet the needs.
This is Vin's cat, Felix, who eats gourmet cat food while Vin eats sardines.
I checked to the Chinese gourmet.
Gourmet. Gourmet refers to food that is of high quality, prepared with great skill, and often considered fancy or luxurious. It can also describe a person who enjoys and knows a lot about fine food and drinks.
Lilliputian. Swift alluded to it in Gulliver's Travels.
That makes me feel a trifle Lilliputian.
Lilliputian. Lilliputian means very small or tiny. It comes from the story Gulliver's Travels, where the Lilliputians were tiny people. So, if something is described as Lilliputian, it's extremely small in size.
Well, you know how whimsical women are.
It all seems so whimsical.
A whimsical portraiture of recycling.
Whimsical. Whimsical means playful, fun, or a bit unusual in a way that makes you smile. It's like something that feels lighthearted or imaginative, like a story with magical creatures or a colorful, quirky design.